Okay, so let us go back to page 138. These are the stages. They are very clear. Actually, you must memorize them from here. They are very easy. Here, the study tip, memorize it. It's very important. Here, write, study it all. It's very important, by the way. Here, the steps. This figure is very, very, very important. Very, very important, this figure. Look. A. Then B, C, D. The first step A has 3. Okay, نعمل هيك. Okay. The first step here has 3 ways. The first one describing the reaction with a metal alone. Take care here. Describing a metal alone. The second one describing the reaction with a metal oxide. And the third one describing the reaction with a metal carbonate. Look here, warm the acid. Write here Y اكتب speed to speed. To speed up, okay, the reaction. Highlight it all. Switch the Bunsen burner, add an excess metal to the acid, wait until no more hydrogen is given off. This is the method that your book uses, but if you want to add the acid with the metal, then to heat the solution a little bit, it's also acceptable, as you saw in the video. Here, the second step, add an excess. Actually, he's summarizing these long steps. He's summarizing them here. To the acid, wait until the solution no longer turns the litmus paper red. Yani, what means no longer turns blue litmus paper red? This means that the blue litmus paper stay blue or the red changes to be blue. It's the same meaning, by the way. Look here. Add an excess of a metal. This is the third step. To the acid. Wait until no more carbon dioxide is given off. We don't use an indicator here. Here we don't use an indicator. Just wait till the no more hydrogen has given off. No more carbon dioxide has given off. The only method that we use an indicator is with the second method. I mean, when I react a metal oxide with an acid. هلا. This is the first step in the 3 cases: metal, metal oxide, metal carbonate. Now, the second step for all of these methods are the same. The second step is the same. What is it? It's filtration. So, the second step for all of the 3 methods is the same, which is filtration. After that, we use crystallization. But what is this? We know that crystallization is something like that, but not like this. This is a water bath. Why? Simply, this is a modern method. Instead of using a gentle flame by using a Bunsen burner, then if some students cannot adjust the flame to be low, so this one has here degrees, so I can adjust the degree that I want it. And this is, by the way, it's safe, much better than the direct Bunsen burner. So I can use the crystallization by a water bath or by a Bunsen burner. Or by use a sand bath, by the way, here. Because sometimes the crystals, if I'm not sure that the crystals are pure, or if the reaction is flammable or whatever, I can use a sand bath here. So I can use a sand bath or a direct flame, as you saw in the video, or a water bath. Anyway, the idea is you must crystallize it. Look here, a glass rod is dipped to the solution and taken out to cool when the small crystals formed. So, take care about these notes. Okay. Look here. The crystals cools, filter, wash, and then dry. You must memorize them in order. Okay. Cools, filter, wash, and then dry. All of them has only 1 mark. Just for 1 mark. Look at the study tip here. He said that the crystals here, the words filter, wash, and then carefully dry to cover the final stages of the preparation. Yani he's asking you, the description of the method for the preparing salt. The last description, this one, has only 1 mark. So if you did any mistake in the order, you will not gain any mark. Yani if you said wash, filter, then dry, or dry, wash, then filter, you will not gain any mark. So take care about that. So these are the 5 steps again. Put an excess amount of a metal or metal oxide or metal carbonate. Then put a limiting amount of acid. Then if it's metal alone, wait till no more hydrogen gas is given off. If it's metal oxide, put a red litmus paper if its color turns to blue, or put blue if its color doesn't stay blue as it is, or if the color is red, changes to be blue. If I'm talking about metal carbonate, no more carbon dioxide is given off. So the reaction has been finished. The second step for all of these reactions is filtration. Then the residue, we throw it, we don't care about it. And the filtrate here, crystallize it as before by dipping a stirrer to test the crystallization point. Then cool, filter, wash, and dry. That's it.